Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will walk you through the process of replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV14 vacuum cleaner. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged to ensure safety during the repair process. Begin by removing the dustbin from the vacuum. This will give you better access to the trigger mechanism. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located on the back of the vacuum where the trigger is housed. There are typically 3 screws you need to take out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover to expose the trigger assembly. Take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris buildup. Using the microfiber cloth, carefully clean around the area to ensure that no dirt interferes with the new trigger's operation. Now, carefully detach the old trigger from the assembly. There may be a small connector that you will need to unplug. Make sure you handle this part gently to avoid damaging any components. If you find this task challenging or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the old trigger is removed, take your new trigger and align it with the assembly. Plug the connector back into place, ensuring a secure fit. Next, replace the cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten each screw gently to avoid stripping them, ensuring that the cover is snug but not overly tight. After securing the cover, it's time to reattach the dustbin. Simply slide it back into place until you hear a click. Now, let's test the new trigger. Plug in the vacuum and turn it on. Press the trigger to ensure it operates smoothly. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer a professional touch, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free solution to your vacuum needs. And don't forget, we offer a quote before repair, so you'll know the costs up front. To wrap up, maintaining your Dyson vacuum can extend its lifespan and ensure optimal performance. Thank you for following this guide, and happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.